Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Lockheed Martin begins major assembly of first Swiss F35A as program moves toward 2027 deliveries. The first Swiss F35A aircraft has begun major assembly at Lockheed Martin's F35 center wing assembly line in Marietta, Georgia. The milestone follows the recent start of Swiss F35 component production. Lockheed Martin said the bulkhead shown in connection with the milestone will become part of the first Swiss F-35's center wing assembly. The center wing assembly is the aircraft's largest single component, accounting for about 25% of the F-35 fuselage and serving as the location for eventual wing installation. Over the next year, the first Swiss F-35 aircraft will continue through manufacturing and assembly. Lockheed Martin said the process produces airpower at 5 times the rate of any other Allied fighter currently in production. The program uses a global supply chain of more than 2,100 suppliers worldwide. Lockheed Martin said the first 8 Swiss F-35s are planned for delivery to Ebbing Air National Guard Base in Fort Smith, Arkansas, in mid-2027 for pilot training. Additional Swiss F-35 aircraft are expected to arrive in Switzerland in 2028. Lockheed Martin said the aircraft will provide Switzerland with advanced fifth-generation capabilities, including stealth, data sharing, and enhanced sensing. The company said those capabilities are intended to support Switzerland's sovereignty, security, and cooperation with allies. Lockheed Martin also said the F-35 will act as a force multiplier for Switzerland. Lockheed Martin said the F-35 is the only Allied fighter in production expected to create jobs for the next 50 to 60 years. As part of offset commitments, the company said it is working with Swiss industry on research and development, production and sustainment opportunities. One example cited by the company is the Pilatus technology transfer project announced in March 2025. Under that effort, Pilatus is continuing to work with Lockheed Martin on a tailored next-generation pilot training system for fifth-generation operators. Lockheed Martin said the F-35 offers value through multinational cooperation, capability, and program maturity. The company said the assembly milestone and its ongoing partnership with the Swiss government and industry demonstrate its readiness to deliver long-term impact for Switzerland through the F-35 program. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.